The magnetic recumbent bike from Exerpeutic Fitness. The Exerpeutic recumbent bike is a comfortable way to work out with its ease of use and extra large back support. But not all recumbent exercise bikes are created equal. The Exerpeutic magnetic recumbent bike is designed to be a heavy-duty bike that can handle up to 325 pounds of user weight with a wider, comfortable seat, more comfortable backrest cushioning, and magnetic resistance for challenging workouts. It also includes hand pulse pads for measuring and targeting heart rate zones, all at a very affordable price. As you can see, the step-through design from Exerpeutic makes it very easy to get on and off the bike, giving you a more effective and efficient workout. Its 8-level magnetic tension control system allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult exercise routine. The smooth torque cranking system provides a reliable and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a continuous and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference or distractions. The Exerpeutic recumbent bike is designed to give you comfort and safety when exercising. The seat cushion and back support can be adjusted for users of any size easily and for users up to 6'3". A larger pedal design with safety straps prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping when exercising. Transportation wheels are included for moving the recumbent bike to any location. And more, the Exerpeutic recumbent bike comes with a computer monitor with an LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and pulse to stay within your target heart rate zone while working out. So there you have it. Our Exerpeutic high-capacity magnetic recumbent bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 3-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's work out and get fit.